Hi, everybody. She's my daughter. Her name is Sarvi, and she's 7 years old. She goes to second grade, and she wants me to take her to school this evening. She wants to tell me about what happens at her school this evening. I've never attended a U.S. elementary school, so I don't know about the school system that much, but my daughter actually helps me um, understand, and she educates me in this front. So, Sarvi, can you tell me what is what is it this evening that happens? What's the name of the event that is going to happen at your school?
Yes, it is called Spirit Night or Parents Meeting. You can say whatever you want. And